Welcome back to Heartlake City. If you might not be able to tell, but there was a big earthquake where residents have suffered bad injuries. Some are in helicopters and ambulances ready to be taken to the hospital immediately, while others are lending a helping hand clean up. Some are very tired and trying to rest, and yes, we have news reporters over there reporting, but it is quite shaky and they are not very comfortable, but as they are trying very hard to present and stay happy. And there's someone filming up there just to get an overhead shot of the terrible earthquake. Have a look, there's caravans falling down, trees have fallen down. This side didn't suffer much of an earthquake, it's mostly this side. If you have a look at the signs falling down, everything's breaking and crumbling up and, well, yeah.